People are shocked to find out how early Americans learned about what the Nazis called the final solution and what they did about it. America has its own prejudices: anti-Semitism, racism and segregation, political fears, fear of communism. As the Nazis are expanding, our doors are closing even more. What would you do? Would you be willing to take the risk to go to Europe and aid refugees? There was a Nazi threat that most Americans understood as a threat to democracy, and they went to war to defeat it militarily, but never to rescue the victims of Nazism. The special exhibitions that we've done have really focused on victims and perpetrators. This one is different. This is about Americans. What did Americans know? When did they know it? What were the range of American responses to the threat of Nazism?